Hello, this is tool drum filter. This is 25 km per hour and little bigger, this 35 km per hour drum filter. Yeah, this tool drum go soon customer for US and first and second, and now we check all systems. Yeah, this control box, we have new design. Yeah, open, have light. Yeah, power, this means have power. First, tool drum, this motor reductor. This, okay, and this. Yeah, everything works. And this. Okay, this is now I stop. Yeah, turn another way. This is motor reductor with pump work together. But this filter without pump, customer needs to put yourself and cannot show now. Now I open automatical mode by sensor. Open. Yeah. You can see first 25, stop, and we can regulate how many seconds he work. Now I open, and this, and open again. First 25 and second 35. Yeah, okay, you can see work long time, and I can open more. Yes, now check again. Sensor up, sensor turn on, and check everything work correct. Mesh install, gear work perfect. Okay, this is good. Inside work, and this same. Yeah, you can see. Close. Yeah, okay. This is yes. I show how you can regulate time working when automatical mode open. Yeah. Next look, this is pipe 3.5 inches, 25, and same 35, same similar. And this is water inside, come inside drum filter when clean everything. Outside size similar, same 3.5 inches. Yeah, everything work. Now I check last time, left, right, here work. Yes, okay. Yes, and maybe look inside drum now. Put camera inside and look what happened. Okay, he move. Yeah, and second 25. Go inside, deep, and look. Okay. Yeah, come back. Yeah, nice. Okay. Stop. Yeah, okay. And stop. Control box 1, 2. Okay, thank you for looking. See you next time.